friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how you can create ledgers and how you can add opening balance to your ledgers. So, to create ledgers, you have to click here on ledger. Under ledger, you will see create ledger. Now, when you want to create your own ledger, see, basically all the ledgers are added in Jainam Software. You can just directly add them instead of creating them. But say, for example, your own bank ledger, okay, that you will need to add here. There might be some other ledgers also that you want to add. So how you can add? You can click on create ledger. Under ledger, you always click on ledger and not ledger group, okay. So you click on ledger. Say under parent group, what parent group does it come? For example, I want to add a bank account. So it will come under parent group bank accounts. And then I can add. Okay, and I can save this here. Okay, now if you go to add to favorite, you will see that whatever ledger you have created has been added here. And you have to make sure once you create a ledger, you have to click on add to favorite and make sure that your bank account ledger is added here. You will see ICICI. Similarly, say you want to add some other ledger. Say you want to add tea coffee expenses. Okay, it comes under indirect expenses. Okay, so you want to add tea expenses and you can save this here. Okay, add to favorite, you can see that the tea expenses has been added here. Okay, now where do the existing ledgers, where can you find the existing ledgers? So when you go to add to favorite, you will see when you select all these ledgers, you will see that the ledgers are already existing here. There are a lot of ledgers, more than 100 plus ledgers are already been added with respect to their parent groups. So you can say, for example, you want to say add here you can see coffee expenses. Okay, they are already under indirect expense, so you can just add them from here. But say you do not want to add them and you have your existing own ledgers that you want to create, you can do that through create ledgers. Okay, now how can you add opening balance? Under ledger only you have opening balance. Click on opening balance. Okay, say you want to add to ICICI Bank. Okay, opening balance of 1 lakh. Now this is, you have to select here, it's a debit or a credit. So I'm going to select debit as on and add this. Okay, so it comes under assets and debit of, this is how you add your opening balance. Now where does this reflect? You can see this in business summary dashboard. Okay, here we have added 1 lakh to our bank. Okay, similarly you can see that here in bank statement as well, an opening balance of 1 lakh has been added. An opening balance of 1 lakh has been added. Okay, so friends, this is how you create ledgers and add opening balance to your ledgers in Jainam Software. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.